Hi students, today we talk about culture system in aquaculture. Aquatic culture system means what are the collections method involved in culture of aquatic organisms. They are classified into three factors based on the habitat, expensive and site. In habitat, there are four types. Uh, they are inland aquaculture, then brackish water aquaculture, then mariculture aquaculture, metahaline aquaculture. Based on the expenses, there are three types. They are extensive culture, intensive culture, semi-intensive culture. In last one, based on the site, here we have four types. First one is barn culture, then culture, cage culture. The inland culture, the rearing of aquatic organism in freshwater is called as freshwater aquacultures. It is also called inland aquaculture. In freshwater aquacultures, it's classified into following types. They are pond culture, tank culture, lake culture, gold water fish culture, like that. The culture of aquatic organism brackish water is called brackish water aquaculture. In brackish water aquaculture, the organisms are cultured in water where the salinity is more than 1 and less than 32 ppt. We are including estuaries, backwaters, lagoons. These are the brackish water aquaculture. Then, the mariculture refers to the cultivation of aquatic organisms in seawater where the salinity range is 30 to 32 ppt. It is sea forming. It is also called marine aquaculture or marine culture fisheries. Mariculture is of two types, namely coastal aquaculture, then offshore aquaculture. It means deep sea aquaculture. Coastal aquaculture means culture of aquatic organisms along the sea coast is called as coastal aquaculture. Offshore aquaculture means culture of aquatic organisms in the deep sea is called as offshore aquaculture. A number of marine organisms are cultured in the sea. They are shrimp, oysters, mussels, seaweeds, in many of the fishes. The fourth one is metahaline aquaculture, the culture of aquatic organisms in water containing high salt content, more than 32 ppt, is called as metahaline aquaculture. It is cultured in salt pans. Artemia salina is the important organisms cultured in metahaline aquaculture. Artemia is used as feed organisms. Based on the expensive, we have three types. They are extensive culture, intensive culture, semi-intensive culture. In extensive culture, the culture of fishes in large areas with low stocking density and normal feeding is called as extensive culture. Here we have few features about extensive culture. Their stocking density is low but the area is more. The fish feeds on natural food available in the pond. Supplementary food is not given. Water quality is not managed. There is no artificial feeding. The labor is minimum. The yield is low. Growth rate is low. Capital investment is also low. Intensive culture means harvesting large quantities of fish in small areas by stocking high density, concentrating labor, recirculation of water, and prepared food is called intensive culture. We have special feature for intensive culture. The fishes are cultured on constructed ponds. Fish are stocked in high density in small areas. Water is well aerated. The pond is fertilized. Water quality is regularly checked and corrected. Cost is high and same time growth rate yield also high. Semi-intensive culture means culture of fishes in large areas with natural feeding and supplementary feed is called semi-intensive culture. It is intermediate between intensive and extensive culture. Uh, the fishes are stocked at a moderated level. The fishes are allowed to feed on natural food such as algae, phytoplankton and zooplankton. The pond is fertilized to improve the growth of natural food. Here, this picture shows the difference of extensive, intensive and semi-intensive cultures. Semi-intensive cultures is based on the principles of feed the pond, not the fish. That is, the pond is inoculated with the live feed organisms, then the pond is fertilized with manures which enhance the growth of feed organisms. Semi-intensive culture is a moderate cultures from extensive and intensive cultures. Here, finally, culture system classified in based on the site. They are pond culture, dam culture, polyculture, cage cultures, etc. In pond culture, the culture of aquatic organisms in pond water. They are culture pond, stocking pond, like that. Here, dam or lake culture means the organisms are cultured in the moving water. It's called lake culture or dam culture. This paddy cum shrimp culture, the broccoli is salinity tolerant paddy crop, the oldest method of prawn culture in Kerala. It is traditional method and extensive method also. The finally cage culture means the fishes in a mixed box placed in water is called cage culture. It is an intensive culture method. Thank you very much for your attention.